Meaning of incomparable.
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 Incomparable. The term incomparable means unable to be compared with anything else, either in terms of quality or magnitude. Something that is incomparable is unique and stands out from everything else. When we say something is incomparable, we are suggesting that it has no equal or equivalent. Often used to characterize highly exceptional qualities and traits, being incomparable is often seen as a positive attribute. In general, if something is labeled as incomparable, it is widely regarded as being exceptional and superior to anything else in its category.